You can't see it, but there's actually an LED strip right along here that you can change the color of. It's also here in the back seat. Right around here. Can't see it, but at night you can. Hey BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Change ambient color to blue.
I've selected the lighting color blue with contour and blue.
This is a feature that BMW calls ambient lighting. It's offered on most models. Basically what it does is lights up the interior to a different color of your choice. To take it a step further, on some premium models there is a feature called Sky Lounge, where the sunroof actually lights up to the same color.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Change ambient color to orange.
Okay, I've selected the lighting color orange with contour and orange.
Hey BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Change ambient color to lilac.
I've selected the lighting color lilac with contour and lilac.
For a change of pace, let's take a look at the Sky Lounge on the 2021 M760. This car goes for $166,000. Okay, so question. What do you think is more impressive, the BMW Sky Lounge or the Rolls-Royce Starlight Headliner? If you enjoyed this video, let me know by subscribing to my channel. You'll get more great content like this in the future, very, very soon. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you. Bye.